What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to do Leave No Man Behind for Gunny in Green Zone Warfare. In this, we need to locate a body and mark the location with a marker that they give us when we start the quest. Now, unfortunately, my recording did crash, but essentially, when you get to this mission, you'll need to accept it somewhere over here, and you'll receive a message immediately afterwards. Check your messages screen if you happen to miss the pop-up, and in here, under Gunny, you'll find that they're giving you a tracker, and you'll simply need to click Collect underneath the message. That's it. When you do so, it'll appear in your inventory, so under the character screen, scroll all the way down until you find a tracker which should appear at the very last spot or the very last open spot, which could be anywhere. If you happen to die with the tracker, you can head across to the vendors, followed by Gunny, and you should be able to purchase another tracker here at the very bottom for 50 whole dolans. Once you have it, we'll need to head into the town, and I'll show you what to do from there. All right, let's go ahead and find the body. So I'm over here. I've simply flown into the town. Just remember, yours could be rotated depending on what faction you're in, but essentially, in order to find the body that we need to leave a marker on, once again, make sure you have the marker on you, received from your messages or purchased from the store before you come here. Otherwise, you'll have to head all the way back just to get that item again. When you get to this area, you'll look for the general T shape, which could be rotated for you. And at the very center of the T will be this little town hall type building. What we need to do is head across right towards this edge of the T, and one of these buildings here around the back, you'll find the body in an alleyway just next to a small little tin shack. I think it's this building here, but essentially we'll need to roam over there with the tracker in our hands. I'll show you that now. Obviously, as this place is crawling in guards and things like that, you'll want to be relatively sneaky when you're getting around to the back edge. Have a team with you or anything like that. I'm playing the solo, so I'll just go in watching my surroundings. All right, so approaching and getting into the back end, you'll see a little alleyway here that should make life a little bit more easy to traverse through, and it's usually relatively quiet. So right about over here somewhere, we'll just navigate in. Once again, you can see where I am. We'll need to head around the back side of this. So down here, heading down this alleyway. All right, so down this back passageway here, you can see a truck and a building with a small shack to the side of it. We need to get in here and in between, that was a bit of a laggy vault, into this area here. This is the telltale side of it. Simply approach the body here and place the marker when you get to here. I've already done this. As mentioned previously, my recording crashed, so I'm redoing these missions just so you learn how to do them. Anyways, once you've placed your marker, all you need to do now is get out of here, as that's pretty much it. We've located it, getting the first half done, and we've marked it as long as you brought the marker with you. I forgot it the first time, so that was a big hassle. Anyways, from here, simply navigate your way to the exfil and all the way back to spawn to claim your reward. Once you get back to spawn, open up your vendors, followed by Gunny, tasks, and in here, you'll be able to hand in your Leave No Man Behind quest. As I've already done it, I can't do it here, but anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all in the next guide. Ciao.